Hello, samahan niyo po akong mag-unboxing sa ito, parcel ko. Dumating na kanina. Parang ano ito parcel sa Temu. Ayan. Temu po siya. Online shopping po. Hindi ito for promotion ha. Meron lang ako kasing ipapakita. Baka magustuhan nyo, no? Some of the people will like the idea. Ayan, kaya I like to share this. Kung ano ang binili ko sa online. Maganda ang Temu kasi alam mo kung bakit. Ano siya, it's cheaper and then free shipping. But they have a minimum of an order like 10 pounds. 10 pounds is the minimum. Then you can get a free shipping. Kaya okay na yun. It's alright. So ito yung, ayan, binili ko po. So, hindi ito, it's not for promotion ha. It's not for promotion. I'm just showing you because maybe, you know, some of the people would like to buy at Temu app or through online. Temu shop. Online shopping. So, okay naman siya. Their products are okay. No good. Same as the other company. If you order, it just comes from, you know, mostly from one country. So, for me, it's the same thing. Kaya ito binili ko. Ito ay scarf, no? Kid scarf. I ordered this for my 1-year-old boy. So, ganito sa natin. Yan. Ito po ang kulay. So, maganda siya. Yan. So, this is for my 1-year-old boy. So, okay siya. Maganda. It's pretty. And it's cheap. So, ito first. Ay, ito. And this one. This is for a bottle, recycled bottle. If you want to use a recycled bottle to water your plant. And this is an ideal. You know, if you have a plant inside or indoor plant, you can use this. You know, you have to take off the, I will show you. Okay, buksan muna natin. So, ito po siya. Ayan, nakita nyo po. Ayan. Diba? Ito yung mga, ayan, holes niya. So, sprinkle. Then, ito po yung para ilagay nyo dyan sa bottle. Ayan, kuha ako ng yung bote ha, or bottle. Kunin natin. So, ito lang naman ay just example. So, you have to take this off, the lid, and then you replace this one like that. Oh no. Well, we have a problem. Because you know what, the size of this is a bit smaller for this bottle. Maybe we can use a small one because this is a big one. You see, this is like a 2 liters bottle. So maybe if you have a smaller bottle at home, then we can try. So let me find another one. So, come back. Well, I found this one, so I will try if this will fit to the lid. No? Ito. Kasi if you have a plant inside or indoor plant, so see? Yeah, it fits. So, ganyan yan. Right, so you got screwed. See? So that is like you just use this to pump like like that. Then, see the water. So, ito. You got a watering bottle for your indoor plants, no? So, di ba? Ayan, oh. Ano lang to? It cost me a pence, like maybe 50 pence. Maybe later I will show you the price, but it's ideal for the indoor plants, no? So, ayan. Oopsie. Sorry. Hindi ko naman ito gamitin pang juice to eh. So, ito ha. Ayan. So, ito, ideal to. Maganda siya. I like it. I love it. So, there you go. So, next is, we have a corner, table corner, protector. Pag may mga kiddie kayo, mga kids at home, so, ito is ideal, no? Para when they play around and they bump their head into the corner of the table, so this is ideal. You can put this in the corner, no? For safety. Yan. So, ganyan mo lang. Ganyan table. Kunyari, ito yung corner niya. So, ito, isampak mo. Ganyan. Ganyan pala. So, ito. Okay naman siya. Ano din to? Apat for, I think is 4 in a pack. It cost me like £1 something. So, ayan. Ganda din. Then, ito.